Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to loop selected profile. Create new drawing and change into part design. Click create body, create sketch. I will choose top plane. For the first profile, I will draw circle. Click close. And then for the second, first we need to create new dentum plane. Here I will set for Z direction into 30. And then I will create again. And set for Z direction. Sorry, I will cancel. And then I will select this circle. Click again and to plans for Z direction set into 50. Like this. Now for the second plan, you can click create sketch. So I will draw polygon. Click close. And for the third sketch, I will draw rectangle from the center point. Click close again. You also can hide this dentum plane. Go to model tab and then select, press space button to hide. If you want to loop selected profile, like I will loop from the circles with this rectangle object, you can select the circle, click these icons, additive loop, and for a section, you can click a section. I will select this rectangle. So to be automatically loop into this rectangle. You want to loop by 3 objects, circles, polygons, and rectangle. You can delete this remove section, right click, click remove. And then add section, we can add this for the second. Add again, I will add this for the third. So we can click OK to apply. So that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorial, how to loop a selected profile. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.